Belajar bahasa Inggris itu bukan sekedar menghafal kata pendek, tapi belajar bagaimana mengubah kata-kata sederhana menjadi kalimat yang bisa digunakan sehari-hari. Ayo kita mulai.
Dia selesai.
She finishes. She finishes. She finishes.
Dia duduk.
He sits. He sits. He sits.
Mereka berbicara.
They talk. They talk. They talk.
Dia berjalan.
She walks. She walks. She walks.
Dia menunggu.
He waits. He waits. He waits.
Mereka mengecek.
They check. They check. They check.
Dia menulis.
She writes. She writes. She writes.
Dia membaca.
He reads. He reads. He reads.
Mereka pergi.
They leave. They leave. They leave.
Dia mengunci.
She locks. She locks. She locks.
Dia membawa.
He carries. He carries. He carries.
Mereka berjalan.
They walk. They walk. They walk.
Dia duduk.
She sits. She sits. She sits.
Dia meletakkan.
He puts down. He puts down. He puts down.
Mereka istirahat.
They rest. They rest. They rest.
Dia minum.
She drinks. She drinks. She drinks.
Dia mengecek.
He checks. He checks. He checks.
Mereka tinggal.
They stay. They stay. They stay.
Dia membuka.
She opens. She opens. She opens.
Dia menutup.
He closes. He closes. He closes. Dia berbaring. He lies down. He lies down. He lies down. Dia menutup. He closes. He closes. He closes. Mereka beristirahat. They rest. They rest. They rest. Dia bangun. She wakes up. She wakes up. She wakes up. Dia mengecek. He checks. He checks. He checks. Mereka bersiap. They get ready. They get ready. They get ready. Dia berganti. She changes. She changes. She changes. Dia memakai. He wears. He wears. He wears. Mereka pergi. They leave. They leave. They leave. Dia mengunci. She locks. She locks. She locks. Dia membawa. He carries. He carries. He carries. Mereka berjalan. They walk. They walk. They walk. Dia menunggu. She waits. She waits. She waits. Dia melihat. He looks. He looks. He looks. Mereka menyeberang. They cross. They cross. They cross. Dia berhenti. She stops. She stops. She stops. Dia mengecek. He checks. He checks. He checks. Mereka berjalan. They walk. They walk. They walk. Dia tiba. She arrives. She arrives. She arrives. Lanjutkan latihan berikutnya di deskripsi atau playlist.